GreenGeeks is an amazing and affordable hosting provider for bloggers and small businesses. On this Black Friday and Cyber Monday, they're running a huge up to 75% discount on their hosting plans. If you're looking for fast, reliable, and secure web hosting for your website but at an affordable price, then you just can't miss out this GreenGeeks Black Friday sale. Normally their Lite plan costs $9.95 per month, but because of this discount, you can get it for only $2.49 per month. The EcoSite Pro plan is now $3.74 per month, the regular price is $14.95 per month. And the EcoSite Premium plan is $6.24 per month, the regular price is $24.95 per month. If you decide to buy GreenGeeks this Black Friday and Cyber Monday, then I would highly recommend you to get their plans for 36 months because it will save you a lot of money on renewals. This special offer is live now and you can grab it now from the link given in the description below this video. Now let's talk about how to activate this Black Friday offer. So first of all, visit the special link of GreenGeeks from the description below this video. Now just simply click on the See Our Plans link and then choose your preferred web hosting plan and click on Get Started. You can register a new domain name or you can put your existing domain name if you already have one. And in the end, on the checkout page, put your basic information and complete the payment. Now let's talk about the features. Its WordPress hosting comes with Lightspeed web server and LS Cache plugin to ensure your site loads quickly. LS Cache plugin makes your site to perform 4x faster. It has also implemented the latest technologies like SSD, the latest version of PHP, HTTP2. The other features of WordPress hosting includes unlimited web space, unmetered data transfer, free SSL certificate, free domain name for first year, free nightly backup, free CDN, unlimited email accounts, WordPress installer, unlimited databases, standard performance, LS Cache included, 300% green energy match and 30-day money-back guarantee. GreenGeeks comes with excellent security features like real-time security scanning, automatic brute force detection, spam protection, SSL secure server, and password protection for your directories. GreenGeeks has 99.9% uptime and provides excellent performance with its quad-core processors and solid-state drive-accelerated RAID 10 arrays. Now let's talk about why you should buy GreenGeeks hosting on this Black Friday. GreenGeek is a great hosting that does not just provide quality service but at a very affordable price. They use the latest technologies, SSD drivers, and inbuilt caching that makes their servers super load and reduce the loading time of the websites hosted on their servers. GreenGeek uses plenty of security features that make their hosting super secure. They do real-time security scanning, monitoring the servers and networks 24/7, automatic app updates, and spam protection to keep their servers and your website super secure to any threat. GreenGeeks takes backup of your site every night so that even if something happens with your site, you'll still be able to access your site with ease. Doesn't matter how good the hosting is, if the support is terrible, then no one is going to purchase it. But I'm sure GreenGeek won't going to disappoint you at this point also. GreenGeek has a really good support system with knowledgeable support staff. GreenGeeks provides a free domain name and SSL certificate with all of its web hosting plans. That means above Black Friday sale you'll also save a few bucks on your SSL and domain name purchase. GreenGeeks provides 30 days money back guarantee with all their plans. That means if you don't like their service, then you ask for a full refund of your money within 30 days of your purchase. If your website is already hosted on any other platform, then you don't have to worry about transferring your website. Because if you purchase GreenGeeks hosting plan, then they'll migrate your website without any cost. This Black Friday is the best time to avail the 75% GreenGeeks discount. I'm sure that no other offers can beat the 75% GreenGeeks Black Friday discount 2020, so buy this best WordPress hosting without any hesitation. If you are ready to buy, then make sure to get it from the link given in the description below this video to get a discount. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest review and offers videos like this. Thanks for watching.